YouTube, what's up? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. We are back with another video. We're gonna react to WavyKidKev's self-cut challenge, alright? Is his haircut better than mine? I don't know. We don't know. We finna see right now, alright? Stay tuned. You guys, we are back. Let's see if WavyKidKev's cut is better than mine. Alright, let's go.
WavyKidKev, 360 Jeezy challenge you to a self-cut battle.
Man, what? 360 Jeezy? He washed.
Oh, okay.
Alright, y'all, so number one, I said Jeezy washed. What I mean was, he been doing it for a long time, okay?
I've been doing this more than you. What?
How you feel about 360 Jeezy, bro?
360 Jeezy? I think you washed up, man. Shit, I mean, I think he's pretty washed up. I think Kev is up next.
360 Jeezy is trash. WavyKidKev is better.
Alright, y'all.
Trash?
Jeezy's favorite saying is,
I've been doing this more than you. I've been doing this more than you. I've been doing this more than you.
what he mean by that is that he been doing it for too long, okay? It's time for somebody else to come and step to the plate. Me being the younger one, the youngest YouTuber that he probably ever battled before, I'm gonna be the reason why he lose, okay? Dude, let's get to this, let's get to it.
We can see where the Jeezy influence is, though. Alright, let's not just throw that out the window. We can see the 360 Jeezy influence.
YouTube. So first of all, the main thing in the video, I seen he was trying to say that I'm a kid, okay? He was really emphasizing on the kid, okay?
Right.
WavyKidKev.
Bringing it back. Because this kid called me out for a wave battle. How do people bother me? We don't know. He's a kid. Okay? He is. He's a kid. I don't know why. Here's how the battle went.
Let's get to this unrag, man. Get the comments out the way.
And if you don't know, ladies and gentlemen, this is Kev's first battle. This is Kev's first battle.
I need y'all to vote on whose haircut is better. Me? Mine? Or WavyKidKev? Yeah. Emphasis on the kid. Yeah. Okay? Kid. Yeah. Kev. Right. Right.
But listen, it's gonna be another thing when this kid beat you in a self-cut battle. Best believe that. Best believe that.
Let's get to it. Let's get, we can't see. Okay, alright.
And another thing, y'all see how Jeezy tried to steal my video stuff? He was talking to himself in the mirror. I did that.
Just because you got a haircut, I took that. I did it better. That you just all that anyway, bro. I can look like this.
You can't.
I took that.
Okay.
I took it and made it better.
I got him stealing my stuff. Come on.
You
now.
called me out to it.
Nah.
Nah. The thing is, you called me out for a battle. So what I did, I Eminem'd you, bro. I took what you did and I flipped it on you. You know what I'm saying? I took what you did, Kev, and I flipped it on you. Don't try to come out. I Eminem'd you.
Hey, I know he gonna try to say, well, you steal my stuff all the time.
He do. He do.
Listen, you be doing this longer than me, remember? Why would you steal some stuff for somebody that has been doing it for a shorter amount of time than you, Grandpa? Come on now.
Ain't no stealing.
Like right now, he might be saying that I'm stealing transitions, but Jeezy ain't never did transitions like this. And just like that, we got a whole nother rag on, but hold on, let's go to another rag. Oh, snap, I'm on the wrong floor. I'm on the right floor now. It's changed do-rag. I'm in the wrong room. Hold on. Now I'm in the same room with the same do-rag. I need to change my do-rag and go back over there. Hold on. Ooh, them transitions were so hot. It made my burn my forehead. Jesus Christ. But listen, y'all remember back in the day when I did every haircut challenge and Jeezy gave me a C?
Alright, you guys, that was WavyKidKev. I mean, he deserved every bit of that C, though. Kev. Come on now. Listen, I'm gonna have to hit you with the C. Come on.
Not gonna lie, this is about to come right back on you. Let's get into it.
You better come with it with this haircut, Kev. You talking a good one. I ain't gonna lie, those transitions was hard though. Transitions was hard, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna steal them, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna steal them, I'm gonna let you have that. But I knew I had to do something.
Alright, y'all, I don't even know if they can see me because of the way the lighting is. But listen, let's see Jay-Z's self-cut, okay? Because when I watched the video, it ain't look straight. That hairline was not straight. Alright, so let's just go ahead and analyze this. I'm gonna come right next to the camera. We're gonna press play. Alright, y'all, that's a clean taper.
Clean taper, blending!
And focus, get you a Sony.
Come on now.
Get you a Sony.
Blending!
Back taper is clean.
Blending! Back taper immaculate!
Now, let me see that liner. Wait
I'm at an angle.
Wait a minute now.
I'm at an angle.
Oh,
No.
Lord have mercy.
I'm at an angle.
That looks straight to y'all?
I'm twisting it. I'm at an angle. I'm at an
Am
angle.
I tweaking? Come on now. Jeezy,
Nah.
this is your video to lose. You done it to yourself.
Don't try to play me on the angle I was at when I was doing it. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't sitting here measuring it to the line up top right here. Come on now. We all know when you record, I was doing this so everybody can see the taper. I'm not tripping. Come on now. You seen when I was lining myself up. That's why you didn't do that part. You know what I'm saying? You tried to take a little bits and pieces where you think it might be crooked because you judging it from the line up top. Now don't play me. Don't play me, Kev. You spending a long time on that taper, Kev. You spending quite a bit on that taper, Kev. You been on that side for a while now. What you mean? You been on... That's blendy. That's blendy, but I don't think it ain't Ralph though. You know what I'm saying? It ain't Ralph though. This is where you're gonna have your difficult time. You can't even finish it out, Kev. You can't even finish the back taper, bro. You ain't even let us see you do it. You ain't even finish it, bro. He skipped straight to the line though. You know what I mean? He knew he couldn't do that back taper. He couldn't do it on camera.
Alright, you guys, so now y'all can
It still
see
look crooked from the way you at.
Natural liner.
No, it still look crooked the way you at though.
Natural liner. Let's just speak on it, okay? Y'all see the tapers? Now I'm about to enhance it. Gonna take it to the next level. Just point it out, cause Jeezy ain't want to show his natural liner. Natural. Now the enhancement.
Obviously, when I lined it up,
level.
Kev, you seen it when I lined it up. Kev copying me anyway with the pencil, man. I got the same brown pencil I use. We can see the Jeezy influence all in this. What you mean? It's clean though. It's clean. He even do the razor line the way I do it.
Hey, Uncle Jerry, not gonna lie to you, man. You my uncle and all, and I love you, man.
It's competition, though. It's competition.
Bruh. This cut I got, flawless.
Let's see it.
Super flawless.
No, I
You
can't.
can probably see
Kev?
the crispiness right now. But listen, just because you've been doing it longer, don't mean that you're
I've
better
been
at it.
doing
I gotta
this.
say that, Jeezy. Hold your L.
Okay. I don't know that lineup around that ear. I don't know. I don't know that back taper. Like I said, that back taper ain't my back taper though. That back taper ain't my back. Now he competing with the size. I ain't even gonna hold you.
Now I showed her in the video. Jeezy hairline was not straight. Let's be honest. Let's be honest now. This is symmetry. I got the little 6 square joint on the camera, and my lineup is matching up right with it. Stop it.
Kev.
Stop
I don't like how you playing me. I don't like how
Let's
you.
not forget the waves now.
Oh, I
Easy
beat you in the battle.
Let's just look at them.
Oh, I beat you in the
In
battle.
the wave battle, but let's just peep. Let's just peep the
Nice.
waves for a second, alright? Yeah, I ain't finna
You
sit
be
here and act like I
brushing,
don't be
it look a
brushing.
little dry. You know what I'm
feel
saying? It look a little dry. You know what I'm saying? Need a little bit of ointment
Come on
on it.
now.
You know what I'm saying? Look a little thirsty.
Come
You know
on
what I'm
now.
saying?
Hey, all jokes aside, man. Uncle Jared, man,
Yes,
I appreciate
sir.
you. You know what I'm saying? Taking on this challenge, especially because I'm a smaller YouTuber. But because you know me personally, you know I don't do it for the hype.
Right,
No
right.
beef. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate you taking my challenge and then calling me out on your challenge. You know what I'm saying? It was dope making
Nah, we
content
gonna
with
go.
you.
We gonna
You
go.
gotta keep going. But hey, you can't lie and say the
The
cut
cut
not
fire,
fire.
the cut fire.
You can't
That
lie
back
and say the
taper
cut
need
not
work.
fire. You know what I'm saying? Old man,
That
you
back-
washed. I packed you up. Follow me on Instagram
That-
at WavyKidKev. You agree? Get him out of here.
That back taper need work, Kev. Shoot. That back taper need work, Kev. What you mean? See, the thing about it, Kev, is I'm top flight security of the world, Craig. You know what I'm saying? I'm top flight with this. But nah, on the real. Shout out to WavyKidKev for, you know what I mean, responding to the video that I did. He called me out though. Let's just make that clear. He called me out on the challenge. You know what I'm saying? But I appreciate your response. But let the people decide what the people got to say about this. Now you talked about my line saying it wasn't straight. That's only because I was doing one of these and you caught it at a time where my line, you looked it like it was slant. But let's be real, Kev. You wasn't sitting here judging it when I was lining it up because you know it was straight. In the comment section below, let me know who won, WavyKidKev or 360 Jeezy. Hondo Blades, Gifted Barber, Brownie Blends. Holla at me, let me know. Come on now, I still need to hit them up. I still ain't hit them up. But Hondo, Gifted, they already know. You know what I'm saying? I just need to contact Brownie Blends. And my procrastination has been serious. But listen, appreciate everybody for watching. Me and WavyKidKev go at it. Let us know who you guys feel did it better. Alright? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. Make sure you guys follow WavyKidKev. His link will be in the description below. Otherwise, I'm out. Peace.